Welcome to Best Car Fixes. Today we have this car. Not all the job will be successful. They put a brand new transmission from the dealer. I programmed it. The owner drive the car for a couple of days, and then noise and Judder code come back. We reset it. It still doesn't work. So they call the dealer, and they give them another brand new transmission. 2013 Pathfinder and 14. Believe me, they always have problems. So right now, let me try to see if I will be able to go inside, turn the ignition on, and rewrite the software again. I already have the CD downloaded into a flash drive, 2013. So I will go to diagnose, transmission, as usual, and I just want to make this one for them also as a record, because sometimes the dealer say you did not do it. So this is very simple. I do it every day, as you see. Nissan, Pathfinder, Rogue, Ultima, Maxima, MV, they're all the same criteria. So you see the CVT Judder. I will not clear it. I just go directly to IP characteristic and I click start. And as usual, I have to download the software or prepare it. And that one is here from this one. I already prepared it and I copy some of them. Anyone is okay. This is it. Click next. Then you have to do all this function before. So we know that. The brake, gas, all the way down. Be careful, don't touch the cable. Here is reverse. Now you're gonna go through start. Now what happened? Put this back. Remove your feet completely, then turn the ignition off for 2 seconds. 1, 2, 0. Then turn the key on. Then it will give you option to click here. If you did not do that, it will not give you the option. Now you have to write it. If you notice here, the R334378 is a CD serial number. So write it down and it's complete. Now if you go to end and you go to self-diagnose and then erase. You erase it, close, is done. So case closed now. I'm gonna start the car. The right software is written in the car. You can go back, check it. Everything is okay. Please subscribe, share and like, and see you in another video. This is the second time the transmission will be replaced. Thank you for watching and see you in another video.